Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a dual band adapter. Once confirmed, open Settings and Device Manager. You'll change adapter preferences, then the network connection. First, go to Start, type Device Manager and press Enter. Next, locate Network Adapters, expand the list, and select your wireless adapter. Right-click and choose Properties. Make sure you're on the Advanced tab so you can modify the band preference option. This is where the system-level control lives and where you begin the switch. Once on the Advanced tab, look for settings labeled Preferred Band, or Wireless Mode. Select 5 GHz to force the adapter to use that band for lower interference and higher throughput, or choose Auto to let the driver pick. If your adapter uses wireless mode, pick 802. 11AC/N for 5 GHz and 802. 11B/G/N for 4 GHz. After changing the value, click OK. Then right-click the adapter and disable, wait a moment, and enable it to apply the new band preference. After re-enabling the adapter, reconnect to the network and verify you're on the intended band. Check your router's connected devices list or use adapter diagnostics. If you still see the wrong band, update the wireless driver and reboot the PC, because drivers control band negotiation. Make sure your router's 5 GHz radio is enabled and not using an incompatible channel. If problems continue, perform a network reset or test with another dual-band device to isolate whether the router or the PC is at fault. That usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.